Hello everyone and welcome back to Login Helps. We are back with another tutorial, and in this video we are going to show you how to log out from your Netflix account across multiple devices. Sometimes you may use your Netflix account on other devices that don't belong to you. In such cases, always make sure that you log out of your Netflix account from these devices that you won't have access to anymore. So therefore we will be showing you how to log out from your Netflix account on your web browser, the Windows application, and the Android application as well. So first of all, let's go ahead and log out from the Netflix account on the Windows browser. Open up your web browser and then go into netflix.com. Since you are logged in, you will be taken into your account directly. Now in order to sign out, just point towards your account icon at the top right corner and then just scroll down and click on Sign Out of Netflix. This will directly sign you out of your Netflix account. You will be redirected into the Netflix homepage in 30 seconds, or you can click on the Go Now button to go into the homepage directly. And that is how you can sign out from your Netflix account on your web browser. In order to sign out from the Netflix application, open up the Netflix application first. You will again directly be taken into your account. In order to sign out, click on the three dots at the top right corner and then click on Sign Out. You will be signed out from your Netflix account. And that is how you can sign out from your Netflix account on the Windows application. Now in order to sign out from the Netflix application on your smartphone, just go ahead and open up the Netflix application. You will find the account icon at the top right corner next to the search button. Tap on this and you will enter the Profiles and More section. From this menu, tap on Sign Out all the way at the end of the menu. You will be asked if you want to sign out from this account. Tap on the Sign Out button and you will be logged out from your Netflix account on your smartphone application as well. So that is how you can sign out from your Netflix account across multiple devices and platforms. If this video was helpful to you, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell as well in order to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.